Welcome to the Year 8 Bridge Challenge. Okay, this little video is going to talk you through how to use some of the features of 2D design and how you can bring in your design from the Bridge Designer software and then produce a really neat drawing for you to work from when you're building in straws. So let's get started. So this is my bridge that I've designed, and all I've got to do is to get a capture of that. So if you use the green shot capture region, now it's really important to get it really neatly trimmed, so from the corner there and then up to here, so you've just got your bridge. There we go. Just copy it to the clipboard, and now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to TextSoft 2D, and you'll need to download this template from the Google Classroom, and then you can work on it. Make your own copy, save it on the network drive. So let's do that first, in fact. So I go to File, Save As, and then we go navigate to the network resources, student temporary, design temporary, whatever homeroom you are, bridge designs, and then we're going to give it a really good name. We're going to call it, well, we'll leave it like that for now, but you can put your name in there. So we'll save it. Good. Right, so we're ready to go. So one of the most useful features of TextSoft 2D design that you're going to use is the double path. So over here, double path, if you double click on that, and you need to set these to width of 4mm, just a straight end, butt end, and that's centered. So once you've done that, you can OK it, and now if I just do one, that'll draw you a straw. One click to start, double click to finish. Okay, so let's just delete that. So that's the first thing, that's the double path to draw the straws. The other thing we're going to use is the radial lock. So over on the right hand side here, if you double click on that, you can set the angle to, I would suggest, multiples of 15. So that gives you 15, 30, 45, 60 degrees. You can always switch it off for other angles, but that would be really useful. Also, to only activate it to draw lines, so tick that box there. So we're ready to go. So we've now got to paste in my bridge design, so I'm going to do that, paste it in, and we need to size it. So if you put that, this is a bridge with an abutment, and one thing you've got to do is take off the radial lock. So I'm going to put that in the corner there really carefully, and then to drag this out, hold the shift key down, and then it'll keep its aspect ratio, keep the proportions the same. That looks good. The abutments are a bit too high, so I'm going to lower them a bit so they're grouped together, so you can move them both at the same time. That's a bit too low, so that'll look really good when it's printed out. And there we are, ready to go. So instead of using these nodes from the bridge simulation software, it's obviously going to be straws and gusset plates. So I'm going to start by drawing one of the straws. So I'm going to go to double path, and I'm only going to draw the left hand side of the bridge. When I've drawn the left hand side, we're going to use the mirror feature to draw the right hand side. That will ensure that it's perfectly symmetrical, which is always good. Now to draw this line, this straw up here, it would be really useful if we use the radial lock. So I'm going to turn the radial lock on, and then I'm going to carefully draw my straw, and I'm going to stop it there because I want one straw to go over the top. Double click to finish. To make that show up a bit, we can change the colour afterwards, but I'll leave it there for now. Alright, so let's put all the vertical ones in. So that's one there. Double click to finish. go, take the radial lock off, and now I can put these ones in. I've also got the grid lock off as well, because I want to put it exactly in the same place as on my diagram. Now the one across the top, go all the way across, all in one go. Put this one in. Oops. Okay, it's one click to start and double click to finish. I'm always forgetting that. One to start, double click to finish. One to start, double click to finish. That's going to be tricky to make. Might want to change my design for that. Okay, so that's good. And now we can put the gusset plates on. So there's an example of a gusset plate. Make a copy of it, like that. And then we can bring it down and put it there. So that's one on the corner. Now you notice it's in front, so another really useful feature is the layers feature on this program. Select that, and is this going to work? No. I'm going to actually select the straws, hold the shift key down, bring all the straws to the front, and up at the top here you want to bring them to the front. And now we can see where all the straws are ending. I'm not happy with that. I'm going to change that slightly, I think. There we go. But the gusset plate looks alright. Put all the rest of your gusset plates in. You can also change the shape of them if you want to. How do we make that into a triangle? Well, first we'll make a copy of it, so we keep the one intact, and then let's draw a line across there, shall we?